Welcome to Autocraft Hacks. If you enjoy our videos and love high-performance cars like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next upload. Now, let's get into the video. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT S is the kind of car that makes you question what luxury performance is supposed to feel like. Because this is not just a fast Grand Tourer, and it is definitely not just another expensive coupe. This is Bentley combining brutal power, handcrafted luxury, and effortless presence into one machine that feels almost impossible to replace. The moment this thing rolls past you, you feel it. Not because it screams for attention, because it does not need to. The confidence of the Continental GT S comes from pure presence. And honestly, very few cars on the road today have that kind of aura. Welcome to Autocraft Hacks. If you enjoy videos about luxury and high-performance machines like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next upload. Now, let's get into the video. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT S takes the already beautiful Continental design and gives it a darker, sharper personality. The front grille looks more aggressive. The black exterior accents add a stealthier appearance, and the redesigned LED headlights make the car look even more intimidating at night. But what makes the Continental GT S special is balance. Even though this is a large luxury coupe, it somehow still looks athletic. The proportions are almost perfect. Long hood, wide stance, muscular rear fenders. Every angle of this car feels expensive. And unlike many modern luxury cars, the Bentley does not rely on over-designed body lines or fake aggression. Everything feels clean, elegant, and confident. Now let's talk about what really matters in a Bentley: the driving experience. The 2026 Continental GT S is expected to continue using a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 setup, now combined with hybrid technology for even quicker response and smoother power delivery. And honestly, the way this car delivers speed feels completely different from most performance cars. It is not dramatic in a nervous way, it is effortless. Press the throttle, and the GTS simply surges forward with massive force. Smooth, controlled, relentless. It feels more like a private jet taking off than a traditional sports car. And that is exactly why Bentley performance feels so unique. The car never feels stressed. Even at high speeds, everything remains calm and composed. The engine sound also deserves attention. The V8 still produces that deep, expensive growl Bentley owners love. At lower RPM, it sounds refined and powerful. Push harder, and the tone becomes more aggressive without ever feeling artificial. Bentley understands something many luxury brands forgot. Performance should still feel emotional. Quick rehook here. Imagine driving this car late at night through an empty city. Soft ambient lighting filling the cabin, the engine quietly rumbling in the background, and endless torque waiting under your right foot. That is the Continental GT S experience. And honestly, very few cars create this level of atmosphere. Inside the cabin, Bentley continues reminding everyone why it remains one of the kings of luxury craftsmanship. Everything feels handcrafted. Real leather covers nearly every surface. The metal details feel cold and solid to the touch. The stitching is nearly perfect. Even the controls move with a sense of weight and precision that most brands cannot replicate. One of the coolest features remains the rotating display. 1 second, you have a modern touchscreen. The next second, the dashboard rotates into elegant analog dials. It feels timeless. And that perfectly matches the personality of the Continental GT S. Because this car blends old-school luxury with modern technology better than almost anything else on the road.